I swear a bit, so if there's children, just check out to see if it's child friendly, some of the videos. I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to this amazing space where there's no judgment on what we should eat, what we shouldn't eat, and when we should eat and how we should eat. Keeping it very simple, very light. Every recipe is made for you and your entire ecosystem in your body, your 78 organs. They're all designed that way. What I love about this moment is I get to share with you the little bits and pieces that I do every day in the kitchen. I've got some philosophy that I shoot into these amazing little videos at times. I do a lot of breathing. Breathing is the ultimate way to tell your body that you're feeling safe. Making simple dishes that we can do at home that just serve our ultimate taste buds really at the end of the day, because I just love nothing more than really tasty food and taking plants and making them shine. Using ingredients that are really easy to get. That's another thing. I can't stand going on some channels where some of the ingredients are like some faraway land where I can't get it or it costs a fortune to get. So accessible, sustainable ingredients that we can get at our local supermarket and at our farmer's market or our co-op. This is an incredible space where you get to be with me and I get to be with you. And what I notice about these amazing YouTube channels, a lot of people comment below. Please do, I love that. Comment below, talk to me, tell me how you went with the recipe. I originally started this channel to have a laugh actually, because I was making food all the time, and then whoever was behind the camera wanted to eat it, so it became kind of that dance and that incredible love affair with what we're eating. Having a bit of fun, being a bit lighter than we normally are when we're talking about food, calming it all down because there's too much shit going on out there of how we should be and how we should look as human beings. It's enough. This channel is all about your internal divine health and your incredible organs in your body. And yes, I do sit on my table. And yes, I don't wear shoes when I'm cooking. And yes, I burn things and drop things and make mistakes. But at the end of the day, we have fun. Happy to have you on here. Can't wait to see your comments below. I'm excited for your cooking journey and hopefully you can share something with me. I would love that. If you want me to make something, let me know what it is and I can turn something really crappy into some Whole Foods goodness. And don't forget to click that button below. It's kind of a little bell. And like when I do a new video, it goes into your inbox and I freaking love that when I find something really great on YouTube. I like to click that situation so I get all those amazing new recipes that come in. Exquisite.